Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just filmed this really dramatic look. It's purple because I have green eyes and I don't know, I just felt like doing something dramatic. I was bored and I'm avoiding homework. So I guess you could use it for like prom or night out on the club or like, I don't know. It would just be a fun pop of color for like an all black outfit. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. So first I started out, before I even filmed this video, I put on my Born This Way foundation along with my POREfessional primers. I did the mattifying one and the pore perfecting one. So then I just moved on to eyeshadow and I'm taking that medium shade from my Anastasia palette. I'll have all my products linked down below and I'm just putting that in my crease and making a nice transition color. Then I'm just going in with that hot chocolate color and deepening that crease, and yeah, that's really it. So then I'm just going in with that black color and creating that outer V kind of look. I didn't want to do a rounded eyeshadow just because I feel like that's not very flattering for my eye shape. My eyes usually look a lot bigger whenever I do a cat eye, so that's what I'm going for. So then I'm just going to take a smaller little paddle brush thingy and start to take that black down on my lower lash line, but I'm only doing it on the outer third of my eye. I don't want to take it all the way across because that's just going to make me look too emo. So then just taking this purple shade from this really old Too Faced palette that I will try to have linked below or something similar and filling in the rest of my lower lash line with that. Then just wetting my brush with my Badescu water, I'm going to take that really dark purple from my Anastasia palette and begin putting it on my eyeball, as you can see. And then I'm going in with that really light pink shimmery champagne color, and I'm using that as kind of like an inner corner, inner third highlight kind of thing. I'm so bad at describing things. I'm so sorry, guys. Then I'm taking that highlight color and I'm just going to pop that on my inner corner, even though later on down the road I ended up using an even brighter highlight. And then I'm just going to do my brows off camera. So there you can see they're done, and now I'm starting to contour, and I just used my Anastasia, I don't know how to say it, and you guys always get mad at me in the comments, but that contour cream kit. And then I'm going to go in and highlight with my Tarte Shape Tape, as you can clearly see. And then I'm just going to go ahead and blend all that out with my BeautyBlender, and I'm going to set it with my Laura Mercier setting powder. Then I'm just taking my favorite bronzer from Bare Minerals, and I'm just going to kind of use that to set all of the places that I contoured. So my cheekbones, my forehead, a little bit on my nose, and definitely take it down the neck. And then for blush, I'm using one of my favorites. It's from Milani, which is a drugstore brand, and I forget what shade it is, but it'll be down below. And then for highlight, I'm using my Carli Bybel Deluxe palette in that light pink color, and let me tell you, this stuff is poppin'. Just wait till you see. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it.
And I pretty much just put that all over my face. I put on my cheekbones, my forehead, my inner corner highlight, my brow bone, a little bit above my lip, and a little bit on my nose. And I just did my lashes and liner off camera.
Alrighty guys, so my camera's about to die. This look took forever. I still have my white strip in. Sorry, I gotta leave it on a bit longer. But I hope you guys got some really good tips and some ideas, and these lashes are crazy, but yeah. I probably would dim that down a little bit if it were my own prom, but I wanted to be super extra. I was just in the mood. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you want to see a more like natural or like toned down prom makeup look, then I would so do that. Just leave me comments down below. But I just felt like being dramatic because I never really do that on my channel. So yeah, definitely subscribe if you liked this video and hit the bell so that you will get notified whenever I post new videos, which is weekly. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.